Hi guys, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel.
You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run, there's nothing to help.
So today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean my closet with me video. I have been really inspired to just take everything out of my closet and reorganize it in a nicer, fashionable way, if that makes any sense. I've been watching a lot of Marie Kondo and a lot of closet tours on YouTube lately, and so I just feel inspired to make my closet look more presentable. This is basically like a video I wasn't planning on filming, but then my other video for this week just ended up not working at all. Like, I ended up not having any good footage and it ended up just being a mess. So that's what we're gonna do today. I want to make a little disclaimer that everything you guys are going to be seeing in this video, except maybe 10 or 15 things, I did purchase with my own money. I do have a full-time job, and so yeah, I just wanted to make that disclaimer really quick. So I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what my closet looks like before we start. So right now I have everything organized really badly. Like, right there is all my workout stuff. Then I just have like miscellaneous stuff that's going to be in my summer haul video. Some more summer shirts that are organized by color. And then right here I have like random things I don't wear as much, also organized in color. And then right here I have all of my jeans and shorts and skirts and bike shorts, and everything's just kind of like thrown in there wherever it could fit. And then I have shoes and more shoes and shoes right there, and then I also have shoes right there. Please don't mind the mess. Like, I know it's absolutely crazy, which is why I'm filming this video. So I have a bunch of summer things right here that are going to be going in the summer haul video, and I think I'm going to put them in a section of my closet right now and just keep them separated from everything else until I film that video, just so like they're not just thrown on my floor. I think I'm just going to set my camera up there on my shelf, put it in fast motion, and you guys can just watch everything I do. I have a trash bag here so that I can make a pile of things I'm not sure if I want to keep, put in storage, or get rid of, so that's what that is for. And yeah, let's just begin and see where I end up. It's also really late at night, so I'm starting this video at 9:32, and I probably won't be done with my entire closet until 11, but I don't have to go into work until later tomorrow, so I will have time to stay up and get it all finished. Alright guys, let's begin. We have a long couple hours ahead of us. So to begin my closet cleaning process, I just started by taking absolutely everything out of my closet and putting it on my bed so that I could go through it and get rid of what I wanted to get rid of, and then keep everything that I wanted to keep. Okay, all the clothes out. Check. Maybe it's in the gutter. I have been served with dessert in the middle of my cleaning, so now I'm in a great mood to continue. At this point, I just started going through all of my clothes and picking out the things that I didn't really wear anymore and put them in the trash bag that I had on my bed. And I also have an Instagram account if any of you guys are interested, where I sell some of my clothes that are still in pretty good condition, so I will link that below. After I was done going through all of my clothes, I just kind of started hanging things in my closet randomly because I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to organize everything quite just yet. But at the end of the video, when I show you guys the final product, I will explain to you how I ended up organizing everything. After hanging everything I had on my bed up in my closet, I then had to put everything that's going in my summer haul video on hangers to hang those up in my closet as well, so that's what I am doing now. so it's almost 11:30 and I feel like I'm halfway there. Time's been going by really fast and I have so much left to do. So I thought I would be done by now, but I'm not, so let's keep going. I'm not gonna go to sleep till I finish. Okay guys, so it's 1:30 a.m. which is why I'm talking quieter, because there's people in my house that are asleep and I have finally finished the closet reorganization. I do have quite a bit of things in my room that I still need to pick up / throw away / throw in the garbage bag. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do that off camera. So I'm just going to show you guys the final closet organization and then I'm going to end the video. So this is my shoe rack finally reorganized. I just moved a lot of my shoes into my closet, the ones that I don't wear a lot, and then the ones that I wear a lot or want to start wearing more, I just put in here along with my Mickey ears because I didn't know really where else to put them and they set perfectly on those little bars. Okay, so to start off in the top of my closet, I have that basket that is full of just a bunch of random things that I really didn't know what to do with. And then I put all of my baseball caps right there in that empty space. And then these 4 buckets are filled with shoes, like I said, shoes that I don't wear that much or winter shoes. And then on this side of the closet, I just organized all of my things by color, but this time it's short sleeves and tank tops. So it goes t-shirts and then tank tops until there. And then down here I have clothes for future YouTube videos / my future summer haul that I'm going to film. And they're also organized in color coordination because I'm OCD like that. And then I have this thing that is just holding all of my belts. Back there I just have like some bags and things and then a like robe thing. I don't even know. I got it on Amazon because I thought it was cute. Don't know if I'm ever even going to use it, but oh well. And then right here I have some miscellaneous pairs of jeans along with a miscellaneous hat, regular jeans, skirts, shorts, more jeans, socks, and then more shoes in that bucket. And then I also have like shoes down there, like high heels and platform shoes, and I keep stepping on bags. And then over here I have some more tennis shoes, and then in these little baskets I just have more hats back there, tank tops right there, that's also filled with tank tops, my Pond's box, and then the shoes. And then this is like an ACT prep book up there that I just don't know where else to put it, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And then right here I ended up keeping only my long sleeve shirts and they just are back there. So it's all of my long sleeve shirts, also in color coordination, but it's a lot of black things, which is why it's hard to see. And then right here I moved my workout thing. As you guys saw, my closet door actually fell off in the process of me trying to do that, so I have to have one of my parents come and help me fix that tomorrow. But I moved my little workout container holder thing in this side of my closet. I don't really know why. I just felt like since I had less clothes over here, it would fit better. And I think it looks a lot better too. And then since it can't hold all of my workout stuff in those 3 little compartments, I hung up my favorite leggings up here along with some of my new leggings I've bought. And then these are full of my biker shorts. And then I have some of my favorite workout outfit sets like hung up right here. Some new workout shirts right here. And then back here I have like rompers and dresses and overalls. And then like I said, back there the long sleeves. So that is the final closet reorganization. It took me 4 hours to finish. Good heaven's sakes, that is a long time. But I'm finally done, and I won't be going through my closet again until winter time, so hallelujah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck through this whole video, I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and if you liked this video, then give me a thumbs up and comment down below other videos that you guys would like to see me film in the future. I love you all. I hope you have a good day, evening, afternoon, night, or whatever it is, and I will see you on my next video. Peace out.